Today we're putting the OnePlus 15 up against the iPhone 17. Both phones come with top-of-the-line specs, but are they just as similar as they look, or is one of them a game changer? We'll break down the performance, battery life, design, and camera systems, so you can make an informed choice. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the OnePlus 15. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, this phone is all about speed. We're talking 20% better CPU performance and 35% more power efficiency compared to its predecessor. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, the OnePlus 15 handles it all with ease. Gaming performance, it's a beast. With 120 FPS gaming support, you can enjoy buttery smooth gameplay on those high-demand titles without a hiccup. And with 16 gigabytes of RAM, app switching is incredibly snappy. And the battery life? OnePlus has nailed it with a 5,000 mAh battery that keeps you going throughout the day. You're looking at all-day usage even with heavy gaming or work sessions. Plus, it supports SuperVOOC fast charging that juices up your phone quickly from 0% to 50% in about 15 minutes. So why should you choose the OnePlus 15? If you're after cutting-edge performance, gaming power, and long-lasting battery life, this phone is definitely one to consider. However, it's not all perfect. OnePlus still lacks some of the polish Apple is known for, especially in the camera department. While it's great for everyday shots, the iPhone 17 might have an edge when it comes to premium photo quality. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 17. As always, Apple's phone is packed with precision and efficiency. Inside, it's powered by the Apple A17 chip with the Neural Engine, meaning a smooth, seamless experience, especially when it comes to AI and machine learning tasks. For gaming and multitasking, it competes well, but it really shines when it comes to its software optimization. When you pair that with 5G connectivity and 4K HDR support, you get an all-around experience that's hard to beat. Apps open faster, gaming performance is fantastic, and Apple's ecosystem makes everything feel more integrated. Plus, Apple's battery life continues to impress, with the iPhone 17 going strong throughout the day, even under heavy use. Where the iPhone 17 really stands out, though, is its camera system. With its AI-driven photo enhancements and the all-new Pro RAW format, you're looking at next-gen photography right in your pocket. Whether it's a low-light shot, portrait mode, or a macro shot, the iPhone 17 nails it every time. Plus, with Apple's iOS 17, you get that silky smooth user experience that has been the hallmark of every iPhone. The overall design is sleek, and the build quality is unmatched. But here's the catch, you're paying for that premium experience. The iPhone 17 is expensive, so if you're looking for an affordable option with solid performance, the OnePlus 15 might be a better choice. Alright, now that you've heard everything, which phone would you go for? The OnePlus 15 or the iPhone 17? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And don't forget to check the description for links to the latest prices on Amazon. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tech comparisons. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not about spending the most money. It's about spending it on the right phone for your needs.